diced out, some hot pepper. That's it. And of course, how much hot pepper do you use? How hot it is. That's it. It's
Now-
basically for me.
Now, Captain Pirate Jeff told me Worcestershire sauce.
Well, everybody adds little things. Like, you know, you can get different kind of vinegars. You can have just lemon as opposed to soy sauce, which is a lemon soy, lemon filet. So there's all different types. So you can blend all different things in there. But don't go crazy because you lose the core. You know what I mean? Yeah. What's your name?
Greg, yes.
Right to Norian. Enjoy yourself here on Guam. Glad to be here. Thanks for picking up. Appreciate that. Where you come from? Virginia. All right. How was it in Virginia? I was there not too long ago, but how's the weather now? Is it still kind of nippy or getting warm? Yeah. Enjoy yourself on Guam, brother. Nice talking to you. Take care. How you doing, guys?